machine. It's absolutely incredible. It comes with a plastic hose, but I'm not using that. Instead, I bought this rinseroo recommended by someone else that did a review, and I absolutely love the rinseroo. The rinseroo is so awesome. The only thing is you have to make sure that you set it up right, because if not, water will leak. So right now it's leaking, and I have to fix this from happening to avoid wasting water. Basically, you just have to make sure that there's no gap in between. So I need to fix that for the next one. But it just makes it so much easier for the water to fall through. And when you set it up right, it won't spill it. And so here I just filled up the water, and now I am just putting my delicates in to this batch so that we're able to get it all washed up nice and clean. So I've done a bunch of other laundry already, and now I'm doing the soft, gentle apparel that needs to be done. So I love that you're able to fit a great amount of clothes. I don't squeeze it in too much. But right now there's a lot of water. So what I did was I first tested it to see how it all fit before the water. But yeah, so this is great. And so now the soap's already in there, and because it's my gentle clothes, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on soft. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the timer. And it automatically just starts working its magic, y'all, which I love. So for this part, you're able to open.
Hello everyone, this is a portable compact machine that I purchased in May. It's working very well. As you can see, it's washing. The cycle is pretty strong. It has 3 switch. One for the washer and timer, 0 to 15 minutes. The other one is the standard select switch for draining. And the other one is the spin timer, 0 to 5 minutes. I can't use both of them at the same time. But as you can see, it's washing. Stopped. Okay, it has the drain hose back here. I'm going to show you. There it goes. I'm going to put it down so you can see. And I'm going to turn.
Okay, so this is the issue I'm having with the washing machine. The spin dryer, this one here, is non-functional. It has stopped working. The wash one, which is this motor here, does still work. If I turn the wash motor on, the motor will turn on and function properly by going left to right. However, the spin dry, and I know it has this safety here to prevent this from spinning if the lid's not down. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the spin dry side on. You can hear it clicking. And then I'm going to pull up on the safety here. As you can see, the spin dry motor is not even wanting to budge. None of
Okay, I am doing my laundry in the tub. And it just finished, so now I put it on green. And you can see the little hose draining. And this is my attachment so that I could fill. Oops. So that I could fill the washer.
I'm using my new Zenny washer in here in my bathtub, washing my grandkids' clothes, making it do what it do. Got the spinner on the other side that spins it almost dry. At least it rinses and spins all the water out.